In order to grow, this tree works with the elements of its environment. Its leaves soak up the sun for energy and turn carbon dioxide into oxygen. Its roots spread out in search of water and nutrients in the soil. It breathes life back into the ecosystem, providing shade, shelter, and nourishment. Plants, animals, and soil are the interconnected components of a natural ecosystem. Conventional agriculture has simplified and sidelined these positive interactions in the natural world, leading to soil degradation, the loss of ecosystems, and food scarcity. Done carefully and thoughtfully, our interaction with natural ecosystems can be mutually beneficial and ensure ecosystem health and biodiversity. Agroecology aims to recover these relationships by working with, not against, the elements of the natural environment. In West Africa, CIRAWA is working with communities of smallholder farmers to do just this. With its partners, the project seeks to advance agroecological solutions in search of a more comprehensive symbiosis between humans and nature, and more sustainable and climate-resilient food supply systems, increasing nutrition security for all. Join us on this incredible journey.